Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to display stock availability on the products page in Odoo. So to display stock availability on the products page in this platform, you need to enable stock visibility settings in your e-commerce and inventory configuration. So actually guys, first you all need to enable the inventory and e-commerce integration. Okay, so make sure both apps are installed, the inventory and the e-commerce as well, and then go and activate the stock availability display. So to do that, you will need to go with the inventory here, and then you will need to go with the configuration here, right? And now you will need to go with the settings. Okay, so then you will need to enable the display stock quantity on the website or show available quantity on product page. Okay, and then you will need to set the product type correctly. Okay, so you will need to open your products. All right, and then you will need to make sure that your product is storable, right? So if you have another type of the products, you cannot do that. So only storable products can show real stock levels, right? And also you will need to validate the adjustments as well. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.